Hey guys, wanted to talk to you today about a question that we get quite often here at the shop is, hey, I've got a fiberglass ornament and it's got some scratches on it from the previous season. How can we repair those? Today we're going to take a few minutes to show you how to go through the process to get you back up and running. Alright guys, so step one, you got your damaged ornament, you're going to need some sandpaper. We're going to use sandpapers today ranging from 600 up to 2,000 in grit, okay? And so basically it's going to be dependent upon how bad the damage is on your ornament. If it's more aggressive, you're going to need to start with a more aggressive sandpaper. If it's just a minor scratch, you can get away with starting with a little bit higher grit. So we're going to take a look right here at two examples on this ornament here. And this one here is not so bad, just minor scratches, a little bit of discoloration here, but that's going to come right out. We'll be able to start on this one with probably an 800 grit sandpaper. When we get over to this piece here, this is more aggressive, a little bit deeper scratch into the gel coat, so we're going to go down and start with a 600 grit on this one. And so for the 600 and the 800, you'll be able to sand it dry. Once you get to the 1000 grit, you're going to need to get a spray bottle of water and apply that to the ornament. Spray it on the surface before you start with 1000, and do that all the way up to 2000.
So Zach, he starts the sanding process here with 600 grit sandpaper, and he's going to work his way all the way up to 2000 grit. And each time he changes sandpaper, he's going to feather the area out just a little bit, and this is going to allow you to get that original finish back once you get to the buffing stage. The other thing to keep in mind is once you get to 1000 grit, you need to start wet sanding it. So just spray some water on there like you see him doing in the video before you start sanding, and just keep the area moist. He's blowing it off between passes there so you can see where he's been working at. So if you follow these steps, you'll be set up for the buffing stage.
Alright guys, so now hey, we finished the sanding process all the way from 600 up to 2000 grit sandpaper that you just saw. Now take a look right quick. Let's see what you got left. Now you're going to notice it's dull here. You got your shine here. So now we're about to come back in and buff this out and bring it back to life. Hey, some of the tools that we use for this, pretty simple stuff. We got an Aqua Buff 2000 that we use, and we also have a 3M product here that we use. Both very similar. You know, they both are going to accomplish the same thing for you. You can buff this out with a simple t-shirt rag. We like a little more horsepower here, so we're going to go with the DeWalt buffing wheel.
So Zach starts the buffing process here by applying some buffing compound, keeping the area moist, and going over it with the buffing wheel. You know, what you're trying to accomplish here is just repeat this process until you get that shine back. And what you're doing basically, this compound is filling in all the little microscopic scratches that you left behind with that 2000 grit sandpaper. But once you finish the process, you're back to new.
Alright, so we've been through the whole process now. Ornament is back in business, ready to be installed again. Let's take a quick peek at it right quick, and then we'll review the steps. The scratches were right here in this area. After going through everything, now we're back in business, ready to go again. So let's remember what you're going to need. Sandpaper, 600 to 2000 grit. You're going to need a spray bottle. You're going to need a buffing wheel, some buffing compound, and some t-shirt rags to kind of get you through the process. Hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. Until next time, see you later.